Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. All right. See how the market's gonna treat us today. I mean, honestly, the market did move a bit. We had bearish news for unemployment claims. I think it was. Let me see. Yeah, the unemployment rate. It was bearish, so we dumped a bit off of 830. Yeah. So let's see how the market. If we continue to just sell off, or if we're gonna get a reversal here. Just gotta wait and see. Okay, guys, hold on. Give me just 1 second. I'll be right back really quick. Give me 1 second. Alright, guys, I'm back. Alright, let me see. Alright, let me screen share on my Discord so you guys can see the chart. So yeah. Yeah, I know I was muted, Twinkie. I meant to go do something. Thank you for letting me know, though. Two minutes until market open, guys. So let's see what the market's able to cook up here. Yeah, guys. Honestly, I would prefer shorts, but we do have two setups we can honestly work with, so I'm not against any. Yo, what's up, Sally? You guys ready for market open? I mean, bro, we've sold off so much. I feel like we'll probably go higher. I mean, all the setups we've caught this week have been longs. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I don't think we've caught any shorts this week. Like, New York session has always been longs. So, I'm honestly expecting longs here. So, let's see. But it makes sense. I mean, we'll just be continuing this DOL sweep off of 621. So I wouldn't be too against longs. Guess we'll target this high here. Honestly, we could target. That's correct. I mean, if we pump up enough, we honestly could probably see that today. 45-point stop. You want longs? I mean, I'm fine with either, bro. I just want clear direction and good volume. So, let's just see what the market wants to do, though. If we were able to inverse this gap and then pump up more and inverse this one, and we're off to the roads. I mean, first PT, obviously, I would do it before this for value gap. I mean, this is already more than a 1-to-1. So we have a good PT for longs too, but shorts also has a good PT. So honestly, either or works. We just need the market to give direction though. Let me look at ES, sir. I mean, ES is kind of doing the same thing. ES looks a little more bearish than NQ. NQ is a green candle right now. ES is a red candle. So, let's see what happens. Is Trump talking right now? No, he's not. Interesting. Yeah, we have this 15-minute gap, guys, so we could honestly work something off this if we do take longs. I look, do want shorts. Just because I feel like ES and NQ would be like super aligned, but If the market wants to buy up, the market wants to buy up. Look, you just gotta wait. Yeah, the thing is, like, ES is super bearish. Like, I think NQ wants to go higher, but ES keeps pulling it down. So it would make sense, honestly, if we just dump. Okay, ES just took out the London low. So let's see. Yeah, ES is still dumping a bit. Could be one for this liquidity here. 718. But honestly, I just hope we just continue to dump. I'm gonna scrap this idea for now for longs. Even though we're still holding bullish, I feel like we're just gonna sell off. And how price is moving, and ES just pulled NQ all the way down. So I mean, look at NQ right now. So we're about 170 points away. So we have a little bit of weight. Yeah, you just took out a bunch of liquidities here. That's why we're having this big pullback right now. So unless the market wants to flip from red to green, but ES still hasn't taken out the liquidity. Super close to it though. 2 points away. I mean, for either setup, we're like really far away. So honestly, I mean, shorts is closer, obviously. 200 points for longs, 160 for shorts. So just gotta wait and see. I don't think we have any more news for the rest of the day. We only had 8:30 news. Yeah, we only had 8:30 news today, so don't gotta worry about red folders. I recently had another push down, and ES will take out this liquidity. If we do go back up, I want ES to take out this liquidity. Would be pretty nice. We love this 1 minute fair value gap. Maybe the market's trying to like bounce off of it. So we're pumping up a little bit here. So it makes sense if we just reject. Or it could be trying to reverse. I don't know. Can't really tell you. I mean, we are holding bullish because we're holding above the liquidity, but honestly would take this, but ES is also flipping from red to green too, so this is honestly pretty good. ES isn't holding as bearish as it was before. Alright, they're just getting some pullback. Okay, NQ looks like it might flip from red to green. This makes sense, I guess. We went down to take out this low and this 1 hour low right here. We just need a big move already. Okay, I mean when NQ flips from red to green, ES turns to green too also. We just need some direction, bro. Hopefully we're able to pump up if we're gonna go up off this candle. Or just go down, like we just need to do something. I'm surprised NQ isn't like just fucking pulling up ES. It's so weird. Normally NQ is the leading index, but okay. Getting some buying here. Okay, I'm gonna have this marked out. I'm gonna put a 50-point stop. Just target. Let's put it all the way up here. we need some strong body candles. There you go. This is a very interesting market today. We just dojied. Very interesting. Guys, I don't want to say it, but I feel like if the market can't break out on this candle, I might not trade today. I might not take a trade. I feel like it looks like it's kind of like struggling to just have a full body candle. So unless we're able to break out in this candle and it look good, then I don't think I'm gonna trade. Just wait for next week. So like we go down, get worked out, which this one makes sense because we took out this liquidity or whatever. Right, pull it back up, go up, get wicked out. Literally a doji candle. We've been here for the last 15 minutes. It's literally like the same price. So price is not really moving that good if we're not able to at least break out of the fucking range. Maybe ES wants to take out this liquidity at 718 before we go somewhere. So let's see if it's able to hit it right now. It's really close. Oh, come on. We need a little push to downside. And there you go. I think it hit. Yeah, there you hit it. Okay. So let's see if now we're able to go up or if we just keep dumping. I mean, we just need some movement, bro. We need the market to move. Go somewhere. Now that we took out this liquidity, this is a really big liquidity too. This is a daily, 4-hour, and a 1-hour low. So let's see if we're able to do something here. Look at the 4-hour, expanded too much. So for time to come that form, so 4-hour, 1-hour, and so I want to see how this candle closes, honestly. Now that we took out the liquidity, if we're still gonna be a doji, I'm just gonna avoid today. Makes sense why we're getting a red to green though now. So let's see. Like, look at the 1 minute, bro. Like, what is this? See, like a bunch of fucking wicks. There's no way we close this doji again, right, guys? There's no way. Yeah. That's actually insane. First 15, actually 20-minute candles. It's just straight fucking dog shit. Yeah, low-key, I'm just gonna avoid today, guys, to be honest. I'm not gonna take any trades. I don't like how prices off opening. This is horrible. We just keep wicking. Like, there's no like full body movements. It's just straight wicks. I really do want longs, but it's like, bro. Unless like we're finally getting some push. Unless we wick out again. I know we actually are getting some push. Finally in the fucking gap. I swear, bro, if we wicked, bro, oh my gosh. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, finally, after ES takes out this fucking low, we're starting to move up. Yeah, if we definitely like wick this candle, the market is definitely cooked. Like, that's just insane if we're not able to have a move after this. Yeah. This market looks pretty good. Pretty good right now. Oh, Trump is tweeting shit too. Bro, what? Dude, how the fuck is Trump tweeting so much, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's tweeted 9 tweets in the past 3 minutes. How the fuck? This guy's like low-key a robot. Yeah, guys, I mean, this... I don't know if this looks like a good market to you guys, but... It looked like we were about to break out and then just fucking rejects the second we get into the fair value gap. It's like normally open we have like clear direction on what we want to do, but this is something. I was really hoping for shorts today too. Or longs. I mean both work. Dude. There's no way. I don't think I've ever seen worse price action than this. Straight doji candles. Oh my gosh. Off open too. It's like, guys, you can't even trade this. It's actually insane. Thing is, like, even if we wait until whatever, like if we break out, it's just like, dude, the open was already so choppy. It's like, if price isn't even good off open, how the fuck is it gonna be good for the rest of the day? And it's a Friday too, so I think I'll just take my profits for the week and just run with it, guys. I don't know. I really did want to take a trade, but you know, forcing something with the market looking like this, I don't know, guys. I don't know. It really makes no sense. Like, we had good movement here when we dumped and then pumped up, but then we dumped and then we went up and then it just started fucking wicking. The 1 minute looks bad, the 5 minute looks bad, 15 minute looks bad. So guys, I mean, I wouldn't recommend taking a trade today. I would just say stay cash for the day and, you know, enjoy your weekend. Don't end the week with a bad trade, because obviously this price action isn't doing shit. Even if we pick up in volume, it's, I think it's a bit gambling. You know, it's like, look at this shit, bro. They're just wicking out. So I'm definitely gonna stay on though. I want to see how the market's gonna move, but I'm not gonna trade. I'll definitely mark stuff out though, and like, you know, I want to see how it plays out, but I'm not gonna take anything. I know the market's very much gonna want to tempt me, bro. Especially if we get a move, but looks like we're finally getting some selling. Yes, broke the recent low. How the fuck did we just dump to go back up? Hello? Let's see if the silver bullet is able to do something. 10 a.m. candle. Okay. Maybe some buying. The thing is now, guys, like, let's say we even inverse, right? ES is like super behind. So ES is literally like down here, right? It's like right here. So whenever we actually no. Oh yeah, it's like down here, like wherever this gap is, but it's like under it. So it's like right here. So like even if we inverse this gap, ES is gonna still have to inverse this gap, and then it's gonna have this gap to go through. So we could literally just reject off of it at any point. So even with this volume, which it looks pretty good, don't get me wrong, like this looks good, but you know, obviously with how we were literally off market open, I mean, this is literally like 30 minutes of straight fucking chop, and then ES is just super behind, and Stessa versus gaps is just too much risk. So, you know, if you guys want to take it, you can take it, but I'm personally not gonna take this trade. I'm gonna stay cash for the day. I'm happy with my profits for the week. There's always next week, guys. You know, we got some pretty good trades this week. Even though it was just, I mean, it was 3 trades, but one day was break even. And we're still pretty good for the week, so it's not too shabby. Like, if you guys can look at ES and just see how much more behind it is. Like, yeah, look at this candle, bro. Like, we're pumping crazy amounts, like almost 100 points, 89 points. If we ever seen this candle, it'll be 149 points, but it's just too many risk factors behind this trade. So I would normally take this, but with this, I will be avoiding. Like entering is just like 2 contracts, so I have some content to post later. But for the content, see if we can finally get a candle that isn't a doji. Imagine we flip this back to red and we close as a doji. That would be actually fucking hilarious. Even the 10 a.m. candle's a fucking doji. what this next candle does. If we're able to inverse, I feel like we should be able to in this next candle, so I'm only like 80 points away. If we continue this volume. Okay, yes. Yeah, yes is already like at the bottom of like this gap right now. Like it's like right here. It's not even like in the gap yet. Okay. Interesting selling that's coming in. Points. Are you guys gonna take the setup if we inverse? I wanna know if any of you guys are gonna take this. Oh, he's got a red to green flip. Yeah, like ES now is aligned with NQ. If it was aligned earlier, we would have probably inversed off open. So ES just pulling NQ the fuck down. Little red to green, fully up. Let's see if we can get it. Damn. So as we're getting this much selling after having this much buying. I guess rejecting off the fair value gap a bit. Man, what a good market open. Since market open, we have moved about, right now, 30 points. Current price action. Damn, guys, look at this fucking red candle. Like 65 points, 70 points. Hey guys, I really do not know what the heck is going on with the markets today. Normally the market isn't this choppy on a Friday. And we had news today too. Thought that would give us more like direction. Dude, we dead ass pumped up for the next candle for us to sell off just to fucking close where we were chopping, bro. There's no way. Guys, what do you think about this market? What do you think about this market? This is deadass a QR code, bro. Just trading sideways. Guys, where are my alerts? What's up, Lazaro? There's nothing to alert, bro. I mean, the market's just moving sideways, not even doing anything. Sorry, bro. The market don't want to move. We need a trade. Dude, Loki, trading this price action, you're gonna lose some money on, bro. If I don't get an alert in 5 minutes, I'm going to alert the SEC. Alright, later. You don't gotta do all that, bro. It's okay. I'll get you an alert, bro. I'll get you an alert. Like right here, bro, off this pump. We're gonna pump up here, inverse the gap, and we're gonna go all the way up here. Wait, yo, Laz, I didn't say that. I didn't say go long. Guys, I did not say to go long. I did not say to go long. Okay, I'm all in on one account. All in on my account with longs. Bro, hopefully you make a bajillion dollars, bro, and you're able to retire. I'll be later back today. Yo. I think bro might be good, guys. Actually, we are pumping a bit right now. I wonder if this candle could actually close not in the wick area. Damn, it was 107 point candle. Relax, you should be up a lot right now. Look at this crap, bro. 115 points. I guess the 15-minute finally broke out the range. We gotta see if it's gonna close, cause low-key we can fucking reject. With how the market's been moving, bro, I wouldn't be surprised if we flip from green to red right now. Yo, are any of you guys gonna take this? You think so? Yeah, I might enter with like 2 contracts. I'm gonna do something light just so, I can get some content. I'll make a little bit of money if it plays out. If I lose, it's a minor loss. So I'm gonna do like 2 contracts. Yeah, I want to see some good buying here, though. I want to see a continuation. I don't want to see any fucking... $100-point pullbacks or shit. Some shit. Okay, I mean, we're actually going to close at a pretty good spot here. So let's see. If we were able to continue up here. type out the alert just in case if we do get this, guys. Give me a second. Oh, what's up, Gabriel? Are you ready to make hashtag profit? Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. I want to see some good volume in buying here, though. If we just like chop up into the gap, I'm not gonna. I want to see like a fucking candle like this one that we just had. 131 points. What are you looking for? I'm looking for longs off this inverse, but I want us to be with very strong direction. So if we slowly inverse or like some stupid crap, I'm not gonna take it. So 753 on that red candle for short. A 753. You're gonna enter shorts, so like what you had entered here. But like, what are you entering off of, bro? Like I was making a hypothetical trade in my head. But you would have been up like 80 points. It's a hunch. Oof, bro, you gotta. Thank God you didn't do that hunch, bro. I mean, yeah, you would have made money, bro. Little gambling. And they always play out as Nick. I am 11 for 11. Bro. That's fucking hilarious. Wait, is Sally like the best chop trader? Whenever the market chops, Sally knows exactly what to do. You've been losing out on a lot. I mean, bro, the thing is, you're not really losing out on anything, because that's just straight up gambling. Like, you're not. There's no like confluences or anything behind your trade. You're just, you know. Nick always says the one day I enter, it won't go. Oh yeah, bro. The market always humbles you, bro. That's how it works. The market will humble you. Very quick. Look at ES here. I want to see why we're like. Oh, ES is actually a green candle right now. Wow, NQ's red. See if NQ's able to fucking pump up here. Very interesting. Before it was NQ that was green and ES is red, and now it's the opposite. We're not even that far from entry either. We're like, what, 54 points? So we should be able to inverse in this next candle. Let's see. Market was dropping due to war, rising gas prices. Yeah, overnight we did sell off a lot. That's also another reason why I'm bullish. And also we took out this liquidity, the London low, and this other London low right here on the 1 hour. and holding above it. So as long as we're able to continue a strong buying, I'll definitely take this. Yeah, I feel like if we're not able to inverse off this candle, the volume kind of stays like this. I'm definitely not gonna take this trade. Cause like yeah, we had good volume, and then now it's kind of it's alright. It's not the best, but it's not strong like how I want it to. So yeah, if we're not able to inverse in this candle, like if we doji or drop whatever, I'm just gonna get off. Chances it reaches the top of the fair value gap and reverses. Like you mean like after inversing it, or you mean like before? Like they're like right here and it just reverses. I mean, yeah, it could low-key do that. It's done that before. That's why we always wait for the inverse, and then even after it inverses, we wait for it to hold above the inverse. Like we never enter exactly off of 836.25. Like we'll probably get like an entry at like 840, 841, you know, something on there. No, yeah, I mean this is obviously okay. Yeah, yeah, okay. Look, this is obviously very exaggerated. I'm not, you know, especially with how the volume's been today. Obviously, I don't think it's gonna pump 300 points, but you know, I just have it marked out just in case it does, because you never know what the fucking market is. Sometimes, oh shit, wait, we're low-key pumping right now. Hold on, let me log in. But yeah, sometimes the market like, oh yeah, this seems very unrealistic or it's not gonna happen, and then it fucking happens. So that's how I marked out just in case. I think realistically, like if we do pump up, we'll probably get like to here, like maybe here, 140 points. It'd be like a good range. Yeah, I like this buying that we had. Just want us to continue it though. Because I'm gonna be sizing super light on this trade, so you know if it does reverse or whatever, like it's gonna be a minimal loss. I would also recommend sizing light. Go long. Hey bro, your sizing is up to you. I'm not gonna tell you what to size. Two minis? Yo. Two minis is light work. Light work, no reaction. Is that a crazy amount? Two minis in this trade. If you size two minis with the stop loss, You'll lose around, what, 50 points? It's like $2,000 per account. Yeah. Yeah, it's 2K because 10 contracts with 50 points is 1,000, so 20 would be 2,000. Pocket change for, yeah, that would be pocket change for Gabriel. Gabriel makes that shit in a second, bro. Guy's a millionaire. I mean, ES is also pretty bullish right now, so I do like this a lot that ES is following. Yeah, like if we can't inverse off of this candle, my casino winnings went into oil futures. Yo. You see it playing like a fair value gap? I mean it could. It honestly could. Yeah, I mean every second that this takes longer to inverse, I'm not liking it anymore. But yeah, if we don't inverse in this candle, I'm definitely not gonna take this. I'm just gonna get off for the day. So, I mean, especially with how prices moving off open, I mean, I only like this because, you know, we had this fucking big ass 130 point candle, but then volume started. I mean, the volume's not bad, but it's not like this, you know what I'm saying? And like now that, you know, it's already been 3 candles and we haven't inversed fucking 46 points, 45 points, it's like, ain't worth it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Gabriel. Like, I'd rather just stay cash than lose, what, $200. I'd rather stay cash. Or I can make money, but like, this is not worth it with this volume. I'd rather risk like next week, Monday. There's always next week, guys. So yeah, if we're not able to inverse in the next minute, I'm just gonna get off. That's 15-minute gap here too. Like you see, like we just wick. Like even the 1 minute looks weird. Like yeah, we're in an uptrend obviously, but like it's just the volume's just way too slow. If there's no volume, guys, there's no point of taking any trades because you could easily get chopped out. There needs to be clear direction and volume, and direction and volume. And obviously, you know, this setup is pretty A+, but you know, if there's no volume and direction, it's not really worth taking. Which now it looks like we might inverse, which we just did inverse actually. I'm not in, guys. I mean, I don't know. How big was even this gonna look? 35 points. Yeah, I mean, I feel like this trade could play out, but I feel like it's definitely just gonna take too long. Like, I would honestly enter off this push right here that we just had. But, nah. I'm gonna just stay cash today, guys. I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna stay cash. Because, like, even though, like, yeah, we just did this candle, or, like, fucking inverse as soon as this candle open, it's just, the volume's just not there, bro. Like, look at this shit. What is this? 35 points. This one is like 40, 49. This one is 40. So, like, look, it could honestly play out. But I'm just not gonna, I'm not gonna risk it. Which honestly might play out, but. I'm gonna just stay cash today. I just don't like the volume. But guys, if you guys are taking this and you know it goes in your way, I hope it does go your way. You're able to make some money off this. But I'm gonna head off for the day. I'll see you guys next week on Monday, 9:30 a.m. Trading every day. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Have a good day, guys.